to our suite at the Bahia, Principe, Jamaica. Come on in, let me show you about our room. So behind you, let's close the door. We have closets here with lots of space. We got iron board, everything in here that you may need. In this closet, we got our safe, which we're gonna need. Gotta put our stuff up, okay? Because these little maids got little sticky fingers and stuff. We got extra pillows, and we got shelves for shoes and shit. You know what I'm saying? To your right is this bathroom, which is bad as get out. Nice tub, okay? It even got the jets in it, so it's a jacuzzi, okay? Jacuzzi, all right? You got your sink over here. You got your toilet, so like Quinn could be in this, and I gotta pee real quick, bam, and we even got a phone, okay? Man,
we got a phone in there?
Phone on the wall, honey. Then behind the door, we got a stand-up shower.
We got a shower, y'all.
Got a shower. We got a stand-up shower, a toilet, a sink, and a jacuzzi tub, all in the same bathroom. And look at this marble.
And it's clean.
This shit is beautiful. Okay.
Yes,
and then we even got a magnifying glass so I can get up on these lashes if I need to. Okay. All right, check me out. Come through, come through. Come through.
Come through.
We got the bed with the little sexy
the little canopy, honey.
There you go.
Canopy, child.
Canopy. That's what we got. Then we got a little table here to put your little bags on and stuff. Now we got a little TV, because that's exactly what it is. They played us with that. It's a little TV.
It's a little TV.
It's a little, but it's still a flat.
Yep.
Okay, I think it's about a 22 inch.
Yes, it is.
In here we got an old Frigidaire. Let's see what they got up in here.
Ooh, we got
they got some red stripe.
Ooh, red stripe sodas.
And we ain't touching none of that because it's probably $5 a piece.
It's inclusive, all inclusive.
Oh,
yep.
Excuse me, I forgot all our food and drinks is included. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna drink a red stripe and I'm just gonna open it up because I can. All right. Got my little chair here if I want to be like, Quinn, are you ready? We'll be waiting. Okay. On to the living room. We got a nice little pole here. Got a little couch. So if I'm like, you know what? I don't want to sleep in the bed tonight. I'm gonna chill on the couch.
And it's a big couch, y'all.
We got a couch. Then we also got a little table here. Okay. We want to sit down and eat over here because we don't want to eat in the bed because we want to sit up because we want to keep it up. You know what I'm saying?
Got a little ceiling fan up there too.
Oh, I didn't even see the
ceiling fan up there too.
Oh, I didn't even talk about how we control the power in the air, but we're going to get back to that.
Okay, we'll go back to that.
Outside, we got a big old deck.
A
big old deck. Step on out here. To the Bahia. Please. Yes, to the Bahia Principe. So you got a corner. Because you can go around. Go around the corner, girl. Around the corner.
We got a corner, y'all.
Got a corner.
We got a corner.
And then we got this whole section around here, and then we got a little table. Now, my suggestion is the furniture inside looks better than outside, but that's probably what you want to be.
Yes.
Okay, but right here, you can see the pool from here.
Oh, wow.
Beautiful, big, nice old pool. Look how big.
Yes.
If chairs start over here and chairs back over there,
yeah, that's a big old
huge.
Pool. Wow. And it smells delicious.
Something smells really delicious because I'm really hungry. Okay, but let's go on in here and check out this power source. Okay. So, back in. Close that one. The mosquitoes together now. All right.
This is nice.
This is really nice. I'm letting my stuff up. I'm going to sleep like
I know that's
I still got to go back to sleep. You know what I'm saying? So, how it works is we have a power cord, which I ain't going to take out because our light's going to go off. This is what controls our power, our air. So if we lose this cord, we lose power on air, which means we didn't pay our power bill. Okay? So we could pop this in, and here we go with lights and air. Ain't that amazing? That is thebomb.com. And this was our tour of our Bahia Principe Jamaica room.